Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and we're back with LTC coin. Now, since last time we were looking for this 200 EMA line to be broken in this region, but as you can see we had yet another liquidity moment below our local support area, neckline area, and we saw also that buyers quickly overtook this area, and now we're back again near this 200 EMA line with recent buy side dominance. Now, our game plan doesn't or didn't change much because we still look for this upward movement or this area to be filled. But what we are looking at right now is for another retest to this area because we recently had a liquidity moment to our zones. Again, a reclaim from the buyers, now a retest, and now we expect another retest to happen to this area, and from here we want to see a breakout which would lead us to this upper area. Now we also might see maybe some kind of further sideways movement in this pattern. So wait, without this long one, but maybe we might see further movement just as this one with a breakout without this part, of course. Okay, let me get a third try as well here. So like this, yeah, that's about it. So we might see another movement to sideways channel, just not the quick retest, but again we still wait for this 200 EMA to be broken. Now, as we can see right now, the price is dumping pretty hard. And if we go to the smaller time frames, we also see that sellers have recently filled the CMA gap, but still keep on showing some kind of dominance to lower zones. Nevertheless, smaller time frames just tell us current market structure development. As we can see, we see some kind of overtake from the buyers happening, and ideally if we break this area we should see an early movement to the upper zones. Yet again, if we see the breakdown from this area, then of course the movement to our local support area is the most logical way to go. But if you are lazy to go and wait or just keep monitoring the markets, easy thing to do, just open a long position. Stop loss has to be in this region. So I would even tell this place here. And this would be the final stop for us. What I mean by that is, let's say we open 1% of size in this region, and here we would open at 2% size position with stop loss being slightly below here, or even 1% and 1% or 2% and 2%. Depends on the leverage, of course. But overall, the target still remains this 100-ish area. So, and risk and reward ratio in this case is 1 to 4. So there is nothing much more to talk about. The view on the LTC coin is still the same. We still want to see a breakout from this local 200 EMA line, which would then give us an opportunity for an upward movement. And before we finish this video, just to give you a quick resolution of the chart, we see that price is still pretty low compared to its potential. And of course, first target might be this one here, 150-ish area, 140 even. And despite that, nothing much more. So the coin overall has huge potential, and currently all of our attention is sitting at this 200 EMA line and this local neckline area, because recently we had some sort of liquidity moment which got suppressed by the buyers, which means again that we might see a pretty good movement to the upper zones. So that's it for the LTC coin. Going to leave this one here once again before closing the video. So that's about right. So as always, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.